नाउ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. तो बच्चों, हु वर गुड फ्रेंड्स? वीना एंड शालू वर गुड फ्रेंड्स. वाई बोथ वर एक्साइटेड? बोथ वर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज they were going to take part in sports rally. Which event was going to be held in the school? School में कौन सी event होने वाली थी? Sports rally was going to be held in the school. Why was Shalu upset? Shalu क्यों upset थी? Shalu was upset because she had a leg injury. Who inspired Shalu to take part in the sports rally and how? Veena inspired Shalu to take part in the sports rally by telling her the inspirational story. Inspirational stories बताई उसने about the sports person. बच्चों, आप ये भी जानते हैं अरुणिमा सिन्हा जब वो एक टांग पर, उनके पास एक ही टांग थी, उसके बावजूद वो माउंटेन की पीक्स पर पहुंच चुकी थी. तो ये स्टोरी बताकर वीना ने इंस्पायर किया शालू को, क्योंकि वह परेशान थी कि उसके पास उसके पैरों में चोट लगी है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमें अपने आप से हिम्मत बंधानी खुद भी चाहिए होती है. सो वीना इंस्पायर्ड शालू टू टेक पार्ट इन द स्पोर्ट्स रैली बाय टेलिंग हर द इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरीज अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. बच्चों, वी ऑल हैव एबिलिटी. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस इज हाउ वी डू इट और हाउ वी यूज द एबिलिटी इन अस. एंड यू मस्ट बी नोइंग देयर इज भरत कुमार. He is also a para swimmer. Now give short answers for questions below. Hint: yes I can, no I can't. Now you have to fill the answers by yes I can or either by no I can't. Can you cook? I can cook. You can cook? If you can cook, you can write yes I can. Can you fly? No I can't. You can write no I can't. Can you play? Yes, I can play. Can you swim? No, I can't. I can't swim. Can you run? Yes, I can run. So, children, now you have understood the use of can and can't. Write T for true and F for false statement. Shalu is good at racing. Shalu जो है वो दौड़ में अच्छी थी. क्या यह बात सही है? बिल्कुल सही है. तो हम यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? True. Veena is a good badminton player. Veena is a good badminton player. This is a true statement. Arunima Sinha is a basketball player. No, she was a volleyball player. So this is false. Next, Bharat Kumar is a para swimmer. I have told you Bharat Kumar is a para swimmer. So this is true. We all have special qualities. True. I have told you that we all have ability and we have all special quality. The difference is only how to use it. Write short answers for the questions given below. Can a crow fly? Can a crow fly? Yes, it can. Can a dog ride a bicycle? Dog क्या bicycle को ride कर सकता है? Only in the circus, otherwise it cannot ride a bicycle. Can a rat run? Yes, it can. Can a monkey swing? क्या monkey swing कर सकता है? आपने देखा होगा monkey एक branch से he just jumps from one branch to another and he also takes swings on the branches. So can a monkey swing? Yes, it can. Can a cat swim? No, it can't. It can't swim. Who can swim? Fish. Can a fox fly? No, it can't. Fox can only run or walk. Can a frog hop? Yes, it can. Can a elephant stomp? Yes, elephant can stomp. What is stomp? You have to do it like this. Can a buffalo climb? क्या buffalo चढ़ सकती है पेड़ पर? No, buffalo can't climb. No, it can't. Can a gorilla climb? Yes, gorilla can climb. So children, now again we have done the exercise of using can and can't. Now, which of these actions can you do? Circle the words. आप जो आपको words दिए गए हैं, you have been provided with the list of words and you have to encircle them whatever the activity you are able to do. Swim. I can swim, so I am feeling it. Yes, I can swim. Run. I can run. Drive. I can drive car, but I think you don't. I can't drive car. I think you also can't drive car. So drive is, there is no circle on drive. Next, Can you eat? Yes, I can eat. You can eat. Can you talk? Yes, we can talk. Can you bake? Can you bake? No, you can't bake. You can't make food in the oven or the microwave. I hope so. If you can bake, you can circle it. Now jump. Can you jump? Yes, we have already jumped here. Laugh. Can you laugh? Yes, I can also laugh. Sing. Can you sing? Yes, I can sing. Read. Can you read? Yes, we are reading. Who can do what? Color the boxes. You have been given 6 pictures and we will find out who can do what. Baby. Baby can cry? Yes, baby can cry. Do baby crawl? क्या बच्चे चलते हैं, crawl करते हैं? What is crawl? To move slowly on the on the surface with on your body. Fly. What is, can a baby fly? No, it cannot fly. Can a baby laugh? Yes, baby can laugh. Fish. Fly. Fish can fly? No, fish can't fly. So what do fish do? Can do? Fish can drink. Can fish write? No. Yes, now you have understood the concept. Now you are trying to answer these and you are giving the answers correctly. Swim. Can a fish swim? Yes, fish can swim. Now the next is rabbit. Can rabbit talk? No, rabbit can't talk, so that's why they have not colored it. Can rabbit hop? Yes, rabbit can hop. Can rabbit eat? Yes. Can rabbit run? Yes. Monkey can climb. Now you can very well understand, monkey can read, monkey can jump, monkey can eat. Bird can crawl, bird can't crawl, bird can fly, bird can read, no, can't read, bird can hop. Dog can sleep, bark, run but not run.